Hi everyone, here we've got Xiaomi Redmi 9 and let me show you how to add a photo to a contact in this device. So first of all, let's tap on the dialer and choose your contact list. Now let's find the one you want to edit and tap on it. Tap on Edit Contact and now let's choose this camera icon. And as you can see, now we can either take a photo and your device will open the camera app, or simply choose a photo from your gallery. So let me pick choose a photo from the gallery. Go to your albums and find the photo you want to use. Let's tap on it, and now from this step we can adjust the size of this square, and thanks to this we can decide what we will see after saving the whole contact. So let's customize it and set it just like you want, and if you are happy with the results, click on OK. Remember to tap on Save right here. And as you can see, it is immediately visible on our contact. Let's get back. It is also visible on our contact list and you will be able to see it while all incoming calls or while texting with that number. So that's all. This is how to add a photo to a contact in your Xiaomi Redmi 9. Thank you so much for watching, and if you find that this video was helpful, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.